Hello students, welcome to this video. So today I am going to discuss about Advocate Balasaheb APTE College of Law. In this video we'll discuss about how many seats are available in this college का admission process क्या है, and how much score is required in MH CET Law entrance examination to get admission in this college. So this college is located in Dadar, which is in Mumbai, and this college is also affiliated to the University of Mumbai. Now talking about the number of seats available in this college. So in terms of 3 years LLB program, total 60 seats are available in this college, and in terms of 5 years LLB program, then 120 seats are available in this college. So now talking about the score required in 2021 examination. So अगर आप ये law college को target कर रहे हो, so for 3 years LLB program you need to score more than 96 marks out of 150 marks, and for 5 years LLB program you need to score more than 99 marks out of 150 marks to get admission in this college. And in case if you have started your preparation and you want to know your preparation level, so for that we have launched a mock test on our application. You can download this application from Play Store, and also the application link is available in the description box. So you can download this application and you can attempt this mock test and come to know your preparation level. So now talking about the admission process. If you are preparing for 3 years LLB program, you need to appear for 3 years Maharashtra Law CET examination. And if you are preparing for 5 years integrated LLB program, you need to appear for 5 years Maharashtra Law CET examination. So first step comes here is to prepare for the examination. Next step is to register yourself for the examination. After that, you get the hall ticket. Hall ticket में examination center की details होती है. आपको examination center पे जाके online exam देना होता है. And after that result आता है. And on the basis of that एक online centralized admission process है जिसको हम कैप राउंड भी कहते हैं, वो स्टार्ट होता है. In that we are supposed to select the college preferences, and on the basis of that we are allocated one college. आपको वो college में जाके document submission सब करना है, and after that finally you get admission in that particular law college. So this was the admission process. So if you have any doubts or any questions, you can put your question in the comment section. Also, you can contact us on 8383818888. And if you have not started your preparation, you can contact us to start your preparation for Maharashtra Law CET entrance examination. We are coaching classes for Maharashtra CET Law examination. We provide classroom coaching in Mumbai. We provide live classes. We provide video lecture packages. And we also provide books as well as mock test. Our application is available on Play Store as well as on Apple Store. So you can download this application and attempt the mock test. Also, if you want to know more about MH CET Law entrance examination, or you need to gain any knowledge regarding any other college, so you can feel free to contact us on this number. You can call or WhatsApp on this number. Thank you so much.